This is after we first lit a fire, and you can see there's quite a bit of smoke. As the fire gets nice and hot, there's very little smoke. And it also doesn't follow you around, which is really nice. We had a number of people gathered around the fire, and it works great. Here I'm showing the smoke actually blowing back in. It kind of burns it up, and you can see that here. Okay, so as you can see, and this is not even really burning very high right now, but as the fire gets going, the fire pit, the smokeless features really work. As you can see right now, I know it's kind of nighttime, but there's not much smoke. There's just very little smoke. And if you add more fire to it, you get even less. And if you look, you can see how the fire does. I mean, the smoke, a lot of it gets sucked back up, and it looks like it gets reburned. You can literally see it. I have that in another part of the video too. But the smokeless features really do work, and they make it a much more enjoyable